Hello, my name is Mohammed Abu Hamjal, and in this video tutorial, I will try to explore Kubernetes secrets. Let's get started. Let's check whether if there is any secrets in my Kubernetes cluster or not. Looks like there is no secrets. So in this video tutorial, actually, I am going to talk only about generic secret. Let's create a secret first. So command is create secret and then type generic, and let's take help. So how to take help, you can see create secret type generic and then name, and then how to create secret from file or from literal. That's it. So let's the secret name is my secret, and I would like to create from literal. Literal means text value pair. Text. Okay, looks like secret is created. Let's check my secret. So how to retrieve the secret data? It's pretty easy. You have to add this, and you can see data is test, and it's in base 64 encoded. Let's decode this. Yes, so you can see the value my test. So if we can also redirect to somewhere. Let's sec.txt like this. Get sec.txt mytest, or you can see like this, mytest. This is how we can generate secret and decode secret and redirect to a file. Thank you.